This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hey everyone, I'm working on my thesis right now and I'm transcribing interviews myself. Not only is this helpful for my thesis, but many qualitative as well as quantitative methods can be useful for companies too. To start, you would ask me, how is that helpful for companies? Can you explain that to me? Yes, for sure.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
I will talk about the market research for now, only because my thesis is not that important, and besides, I am already sick of it. In short, market research is a systematic gathering of information on the target markets, and it can be done both through a qualitative as well as quantitative approach. I'm sure many of you would say that good research must have the quantitative techniques included. Although I believe that it more depends on your main research question and your target audience to get the best results. Besides, sometimes there are researches where you could not include quantitative methods simply because your target audience is too small and or is extremely difficult to reach out to. Like for instance, I wrote my bachelor's thesis on Lithuanian expats living in the Bora Bora Island, French Polynesia. It is simply not possible to do quantitative research with only 6 expats because a Lithuanian community in this country is not that big, and besides, it is quite difficult to reach them all. So I conducted all these interviews that not only had useful information, but excuse my language, a shit ton of work included too. I had 9 hours of audio in total to get transcribed and coded. I've tried using many AIs, but the quality was just bad, simply useless, especially considering the fact that I had to code all that later on. So, long story short, I took a deep breath and transcribed everything myself. By the way, a good transcription tool is an excellent way to do so since it helps you speed up the process by using many shortcuts to slower or fasten the audio, acknowledging the places where the speech is inaudible, etc. So, from my own experience, especially if the audio has quite a lot of mumbling or background noise like this, human ears do a much better job at it. So what else? Going back to my thesis, you would ask me, girl, what program have you used for coding? Or did you do that by hand? You could do that by hand, no doubt. However, coding simply works with already existing text data. So softwares like NVivo by QSR International, Quirkos, Max Courier are great options. Meanwhile, SPSS and Stata are used in the quantitative method-based researches. You would be like, Jesus Christ, I will never be able to use these. Well, there are many free tools available online, so you could even watch tutorials on YouTube that are pretty good in my opinion. Well, at least if you are an absolute beginner, it will do this job just fine. So I guess that's it for now. I will have my break from working on my thesis and watch some YouTube videos about femicide in Latin America. To be honest, I'm more skeptical of all these news channels like ABC, CBC News, the New York Times and the Washington Post. However, I have recently come across the YouTube video on Honduras and its femicide rates in the last few years.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.